Hello students, welcome to the class today. Chapter 4, Climate. We are moving forward with the chapter. Certain points, certain topics that we have already done. Especially we have discussed about the climatic controls that are there. Last class, in the last video, what we have done was climatic control. Okay, the climatic conditions that we are witnessing in India, it is influenced by lot of factors. Many factors are there. Latitude, altitude, climatic, because climate may a controlling factor needs to be there. ये जब कंट्रोल फैक्टर नहीं होता है तो क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस कैन नॉट बी द सेम द वे इट इज. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सो हमने जो जो चीजें डिस्कस की, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी डिस्कस्ड वाज वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट लैटिट्यूड. ये हमने कर लिया है. एंड वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट एल्टीट्यूड. ये भी हमने कर लिया है. नाउ व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग इज प्रेशर एंड विंड सिस्टम्स. गॉट इट? हाउ द प्रेशर बेल्ट्स आर फॉर्म्ड, व्हाट आर द विंड सिस्टम्स, कहां से कैसी हवा चल रही है. इसमें टू मेजर फिनोमेनास दैट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन द लास्ट वीडियो. एक जो हमने डिस्कस किया था दैट वाज कॉरियोलिस फोर्स एंड जेट स्ट्रीम्स. वी ऑल्सो डिस्कस्ड अबाउट जेट स्ट्रीम्स. Yes, the harsh winds that are blowing, the strong winds that are blowing, it is having an impact on the Indian subcontinent. किधर से ये एयर आ रहा है? From where is this wind coming from? इसको हमने पढ़ा था in the world map. ठीक है? This is the location of India and this is Europe here. From here the Mediterranean Sea की तरफ से this air is coming and it is getting deflected because India is affected by northeasterly. हमारे यहाँ पे जो हवा चलती है that comes from northeast. So northeasterly winds are the one which is affecting India's climatic conditions. Got it, children? Next thing that we had done, आज जो हम करेंगे उसमें we have been talking about the this was the phenomena that we discussed. It was about the western cyclonic disturbances. Got it? From Europe, the air that is coming, western cyclonic, क्योंकि weather phenomena जो है winter months में, it is brought in by the westerly flow from the Mediterranean region. Mediterranean region से ये जो तेज हवा चलती है, they influence the Indian weather conditions. And because of this, in the north, इंडिया का जो हमने बनाया था इन द प्रीवियस दिस वी हैड मेड इंडिया का मैप. इन द नॉर्थ, इन दिस रीजन स्पेशली व्हाट हैपेंस दैट दिस इज द नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न रीजन. यहाँ पे वी विटनेस लॉट ऑफ disturbances, lot of problems that are there. We need to understand how these disturbances are affecting the Indian monsoon. Got it, children? We need to understand that Indian monsoon and the effects that are there, how is it changing and what are the major processes. Got it? Now, I just went to take this marker. Okay. Now, what has happened? There is a high pressure area over the north of Himalayas. North of Himalayas में एक अलग तरीके का pressure conditions are there, and Indian monsoon and the Indian climate that is affected, it has a different kind of an impact. Please understand the climatic conditions that are there. How are these climatic conditions changing India's climate and changing India's weather? Okay. So what we are understanding is that the Indian monsoon the Indian monsoon that is there, the climatic conditions in India are strongly influenced by monsoon winds. Now, where are these monsoon winds coming from? Try to understand. हम पहला तो है कि what is the origin of the word monsoon? हम इसको monsoon क्यों कहते हैं? ठीक है? Is there any reason behind it? Is there any phenomena behind it? कि monsoon को हम monsoon क्यों कहते हैं? Are you understanding? Wind system is reversed when the sailors, अभी क्या था, in the olden times, the Arabian sailors, they used to come to India, historic times में, in history, and they were the first ones to have noticed the phenomena of the monsoon. पहले वो लोग थे जिन्होंने की monsoon को समझने की कोशिश की. They understood that what this monsoon is all about and how is the monsoon affected. ये क्यों हो रही है? ये बारिश, why so much of rains are here in India, and how such a big level, at such a big level, the monsoon conditions are changing. तो ये जो Coriolis force that was continuously working, please, I told you कि to understand the chapter, you have to understand the Coriolis force. Coriolis force. So, these sailors who were coming to India, they benefited because of the reversal of wind system. एक तरफ से हवा आई, दूसरी तरफ से हवा आई, और वो अर्थ के रोटेशन की वजह से हवा घूम गई. तो ये जो हवा घूम जाती थी, it helped in the sailing of ships. तो this winds, the sailors who were sailing, their voyage, their traveling conditions were affected because of this moving winds. Got it, children? So, the deflecting winds, मतलब तेज जो हवा चलती थी, the deflecting winds helped them in voyage. Help them in their journey. Continuous winds are moving. And the Arabian people who were coming to India for trade purpose, these traders named these seasonal winds, ये जो reversal of wind that was there, the deflection of wind that was there, it was called as monsoon. Okay, seasonal reversal that was happening and the wind conditions that were changing, it was referred to as monsoon. तो प्लीज इसको आप इस तरह से मेंशन करोगे that seasonal reversal of winds was called as monsoon. क्योंकि the Coriolis force that was working in the Indian subcontinent, this moving air, this moving wind एंड इट्स डिफ्लेक्शन हेल्प, क्योंकि अभी इनकी जहाज चल रहे हैं, पहले कोई मोटर वोटर तो होती नहीं थी, देयर वॉज नो मोटर, देयर वॉज नो मशीन, सो द सेलर्स शिप वॉज ऑन द मर्सी ऑफ विंड। तेज हवा चली, दे वांट टू मूव टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ, तो बड़ा सा चादर का पाल होता था, उसको हिला दिया, एंड द शिप मूविंग टू द अदर डायरेक्शन। Then they have to come from, they have to go towards the south, north से हवा आ रही है, उस तरफ साउथ की तरफ अपना पाल हिला दिया, तो it is moving. I hope you all have seen the old ships, बड़े बड़े जो जहाज होते थे, पानी वाले जो जहाज होते थे, when we make this, तो यहाँ पे आप देखोगे बहुत सारे कपड़े के वो लगे होते थे, got it? So with the coming of wind, suppose the winds are coming, तो इधर अगर जाना है तो इधर जाने में हेल्प होती थी. Suppose winds are coming from that direction, so they used to move this झंडा towards this direction. Got it? अभी ये देखो, इसको जब मैं इस तरह से समझा रही हूं तो it is you are understanding it in a very simple manner, लेकिन the technique was not that simple. It was very complicated. ठीक है, ये जो सारा सिस्टम था, all this system that existed, it was quite complicated. Now the next thing that is important, certain maps are there. Certain maps are there. I'll be showing you the maps at the end of the this lesson. When I will be showing you the maps, then you will be understanding how the wind movement was affecting the movements of all the ships and all the climatic changes that were happening, how the monsoons were helping in that. Monsoon winds were helping in that. Got it? तो ये याद रखना that the monsoon name was given by the Arabian sailors. Arabian sailors who were coming this side, who were coming towards India from the Arabian region, this all name had come from there only. Monsoons, what are the major reasons that the monsoons are experienced in the tropical area? Now monsoons are witnessed in the tropical area. You have to remember the measurement also. Measurement में you will be understanding 20 degree north and 20 degree south. To understand the mechanism of monsoon, tropical area between 20 degree north to 20 degree south map में जब हम भी देखेंगे तो we will be understanding कि how from 20 degree north to 20 degree south the monsoons were working. Some facts are very important which we will be understanding, and this is where there was the mechanism of monsoon. Got it? यहाँ पे all the monsoon related activities were happening. All the monsoon related changes in the climatic conditions were happening. First factor that is affecting the monsoon type of a climate, or which is bringing and we are witnessing a monsoon type of a climate, पहली चीज जो होती है, the first factor that is affecting is the heating and cooling of land and water. The heating and cooling of land and water. Got it? Please understand. Of course, we are surrounded with such a big water body. एक तरफ Bay of Bengal, on the other hand side Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean. इतना बड़ा जो water body is surrounding India. Will it have an effect on the climatic conditions or not? Yes, it does have, my dear children. The cooling conditions, heating and cooling, एक टाइम पे लैंड हीट हो जाता है, अदर टाइम पे वाटर हीट होता है. So on the one hand, land is heated, on the other hand, the water is heated. So this difference between the heating and cooling of land and water is bringing all these changes. On a such a large scale, इतने बड़े लेवल पे जो changes हो रहे हैं, it is because of the differential heating and cooling of land and water. इससे क्या होता है? A low pressure area is created on the land mass of Earth. So, India, I'm sorry, low pressure area is created in India. Got it? The pressure is quite low and sea may around, because land mass is having low pressure and sea around is experiencing high pressure. Water है ना, water how, and it is such a big water body. So land low pressure area is created on, I'm sorry, on land. Land gets heated very fast. Sun rays are direct and sun rays are continuous. Land mass is heated and the cold area remains over the water. So the sea experiences high pressure. High pressure area above sea. ओके, अब लो प्रेशर एंड हाई प्रेशर जब मिलते हैं, देन ऑल दीज बिग चेंजेस हैपन. ये जो बड़े बड़े चेंजेस की हम बातें करते हैं, इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द मिक्सिंग ऑफ हाई प्रेशर एंड लो प्रेशर. कैसे? हाउ डज इट वर्क? हाउ डज इट वर्क? The low pressure area that is created over the heat, land has heated, so land के ऊपर में जितना भी एयर है वो बिल्कुल हल्का हो जाएगा. एंड वाटर इज देयर, वाटर में जितना भी हीट हो जाएगा खाली अपर लेयर हीटेड रहेगा, अंदर में ठंड रहेगी. तो हाई प्रेशर एरिया वुड बी देयर ओवर द सी. ओके, देन देयर इज शिफ्ट. सेकेंड पॉइंट, ये तो फर्स्ट था, हीटिंग एंड कूलिंग ऑफ लैंड and water. Today the markers are really troubling me. I thought it is, I brought another marker, but till here it was okay, but now it's not working. But I hope you all can see, आप देख सकते हो. Second topic, the second point is, okay, please understand shift of the position of intertropical convergence zone. Shift of the position of इंटरट्रॉपिकल, ये आपको याद करना पड़ेगा, पूरा पूरा याद कीजिएगा. इंटरट्रॉपिकल कन्वर्जेंस जोन. ITCZ. In short form, it is also called as ITCZ. Got it? Now please understand कि समर में गंगा प्लेन इज देयर. गंगा है ना, बहुत बड़ी नदी है. It's a big river, and because of this river over the Ganga plain there is equatorial trough normally positioned about 5 degrees north to the equator. It is also known as monsoon trough during the monsoon season. Now ये the first one that we are talking about, ये वाला भी याद रखना, please remember this. 20 degree north and 20 degree south. The next one that we are talking about is ITCZ. It is over the Ganga plain. क्या होता है कि गंगा रिवर जहां पे where it is flowing, it is causing an equatorial trough. Over the Ganga plain, there is equatorial trough. Trough is another type of an environment, एक other type of climate which is called as मतलब मॉनसून के टाइम पे ही इस तरह का वेदर हम विटनेस करते हैं. We get that kind of a temperature and that kind of a pressure during the monsoon season only. So it is called as a monsoon trough along during the monsoon season. And कहाँ पे है? We find it near the 5 degree north of the equator. Equator is there, and equator के ऊपर में 5 degree north तक we find this equatorial trough, which is positioned during the monsoon season. So it is also known as monsoon trough. Please remember that it is called as monsoon trough. Intertropical convergence zone is there. Ganga plain के ऊपर ITCZ is there, and there is an equatorial trough and a different kind of an environment altogether. These were the two reasons why we are having the monsoon type of a climate in India. ये दो तो आपको याद करना ही पड़ेगा. First one is the extreme cooling and heating of land and sea. लैंड के ऊपर में लो प्रेशर एंड वाटर बॉडी के ऊपर में हाई प्रेशर. मॉनसून बन जाता है, क्लाउड्स बनते हैं. फर्स्ट रीजन. सेकेंड इज द ITCZ, इंटरट्रॉपिकल कन्वर्जेंस जोन. ITCZ ट्रॉपिकल, इंटरट्रॉपिकल. ट्रॉपिक कितने हैं? ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न, सब ट्रॉपिकल रीजन, सब ट्रॉपिकल हाई प्रेशर बेल्ट, लो प्रेशर बेल्ट. ये ITCZ दैट इज देयर इन समर. गंगा प्लेन्स पे बहुत ज्यादा तेज हीट पड़ती है. एज ए रिजल्ट की देयर इज एन एक्सट्रीम लो प्रेशर एरिया 5 degree north of equator. It is happening, and this is called as monsoon trough. Then high pressure area over east of Madagascar. Third point is high pressure area over east of Madagascar. अब ये मैडागास्कर कहाँ है? इंडियन ओशन के ऊपर में, जस्ट नियर द इंडियन ओशन देयर इज दिस स्मॉल रीजन विच इज मैडागास्कर. वहां पे 20 डिग्री साउथ ओवर द इंडियन ओशन अप्रोक्सीमेटली. कहाँ पे है? अ वेरी बिग हाई प्रेशर एरिया इज क्रिएटेड towards the east of Madagascar. You need to know the location of Madagascar. I'll be showing it to you in the video. में अभी I'll be showing it to you through a picture. Okay. Strong vertical air currents are flowing in this region, due to which there is low pressure area over the plateau at 9 kilometers above sea level. Please understand that the high pressure area over east of Madagascar that is there, Madagascar region, you need to understand it is 20 degrees south of Indian Ocean. Got it? It is on the 20 degrees south of Indian Ocean, and there is high pressure area which is affecting the Indian monsoon. Okay? High pressure area affecting the Indian monsoon. Indian monsoon is highly affected because of this. You know, some places are there, some regions are there where big changes are happening because of the weather conditions at few places. हर जगह पे नहीं है कि suddenly some place there is high pressure, suddenly at the other place there is a low pressure. So this high pressure and low pressure that is created at some places, it is causing an effect on the whole of the monsoon, all of the mechanism of monsoon. Got it? So you need to see that, you need to understand that. अभी why it is happening, please understand. यहाँ पे हमने घर बना लिए हैं, नदियां है, पहाड़ है, ये है, लेकिन in the climate, in the sky, there is no hindrance, कोई रोक टोक नहीं है, सब कुछ एक तरीके से ही चल रहा है. तो one place if is affected, it has an effect on all the places. Okay, please understand this. I'll show you the location of Madagascar and I'll also show you the map. एक बार I'll show you the map. So students, just now we were discussing about the easterly jet stream, westerly jet stream, and the movement of air towards the east, towards the west, and the effect in the Indian subcontinent, isn't it? अब आप ये देखो what we had talked about these, पहले तो ये समझो कि ये सरफेस विंड्स हैं जो हवा ज़मीन पे चल रही है, सरफेस विंड्स. और हमने क्या बात किया था, जेट स्ट्रीम्स के बारे में, विच आर कमिंग फ्रॉम द मेडिटेरेनियन रीजन, सब ट्रॉपिकल वेस्टर्ली जेट स्ट्रीम. अब आप ये फ़ोटो जब देख रहे हो, सीखे, ये जो 2 लाइंस वाली ये जो हवा है, दिस एयर दैट इज कमिंग इज द वेस्टर्ली जेट स्ट्रीम. गॉट इट? ये वेस्ट है, ये मेडिटेरेनियन सी है. ये जो मेडिटेरेनियन सी है, यहाँ से ये हवा आ रही है और इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट को पास कर रही है. हवा तो हवा है एंड इट इज विथ फुल फोर्स. गॉट इट? विथ दिस फुल फोर्स व्हेन इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड, तो आप ये देख लो कि कहाँ कहाँ पे इसका असर पड़ रहा है. तिब्बतन प्लेट्यू से इट इज कमिंग एंड हियर सरफेस विंड, जो मतलब जनरली जो रोज जो हवा चलती है, कभी गर्म है कभी ठंडी है, ऑल दीज विंड दैट इज ब्लोइंग, इट इज मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द साउथ. दिस इज अ कोल्ड विंड. गॉट इट? नाउ व्हेन इट इज कमिंग टू दिस साइड, यू कैन सी जेट स्ट्रीम इज मूविंग लाइक दिस. हाँ, अब आप इसमें इक्वेटर देखो कहाँ पे है, ये तो 30 डिग्री, हम इंडिया के पास की बात कर रहे हैं, दिस इज इक्वेटर. सो इक्वेटर से इतनी ऊपर, हियर यू हैव द वेस्टर्ली जेट स्ट्रीम. इसका डायरेक्ट असर पड़ता है इंडिया के ऊपर. इट इज हैविंग अ डायरेक्ट इफेक्ट ऑन इंडिया. वेस्ट से आ रही है ये, और इंडिया में ईस्ट के तरफ से हवा चल रही है. Got it? Madagascar is here. 5 डिग्री नॉर्थ पे you have the Madagascar. Madagascar is here. इक्वेटर है, 0 डिग्री इक्वेटर है, उसमें 5 डिग्री नॉर्थ में, 5 डिग्री थोड़ा सा ऊपर में, here you have the north easterly winds. यहाँ ट्रॉपिकल ईस्टर्ली जेट स्ट्रीम इज देयर. एक हवा वेस्ट के तरफ से आई, एक हवा ईस्ट के तरफ से जा रही है, अब यहाँ पे कन्वर्ज हो गया. कैन यू सी दिस कन्वर्जेंस? हवा घूम गई. इधर जो हवा जा रही है, इधर से जो हवा आ रही है, डिफ्लेक्टेड. अभी डिफ्लेक्शन क्यों हुआ है, दिस तो आई विल डेफिनेटली नॉट टेल यू. यस, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट इट एंड इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द कॉरियोलिस फोर्स. ठीक है, इधर से हवा जाते हुए, उधर से हवा आते हुए टक्कर लग गई और अलग अलग हो गए. गॉट इट? दैट इज द मेजर रीजन थ्रू ड्यू टू विच the weather phenomena are changing in the Indian subcontinent. Madagascar is here. Again, I am telling you 5 degree north. This is the place which is Madagascar. And the major weather phenomena that are changing, that are happening, it is due to this region. Got it? So we need to understand it. इसको अगर इसी तरह से समझेंगे तो चीज़ें ज़्यादा क्लियर हो जाएंगी. That's why I thought I will be showing it to you through map. Rest we will be discussing it in the online session, children. ठीक है? Till then, thank you so much and all the best to you.